Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Dubai is not just a city, it feels like the future mixed with luxury. In this vlog, we are exploring Dubai Frame, Museum of the Future, Dubai Mall, the famous Aquarium, and Burj Khalifa. All in one trip. So if you're planning Dubai or just love travel videos, watch till the end. His is not just a photo spot. This is Dubai Frame, where you can see the past, present, and future of Dubai in one place. We decided to visit Dubai Frame in the morning, and honestly, that was the best decision. The weather was pleasant, the crowd was less, and the light was perfect. We had already booked our tickets in advance, so the plan was simple: explore the frame first and enjoy breakfast later. Even after booking tickets online, there was a queue to enter, but it moved pretty smoothly. Before going up, they take you through a setup of how Dubai looked before development. You see traditional houses, old markets, fishing villages, and daily life from the past. It really shows how simple life was before skyscrapers and luxury. This part makes the rest of the experience more meaningful because you understand where the city started. Once inside, everything felt well organized. From here, the experience slowly begins. The first thing that grabs your attention is the glass floor. Standing on it and looking straight down, your heart skips a beat for a second. It's scary, exciting, and fun. All at once, we spent some time here just walking around, taking photos, and enjoying the view. It's one of those places where you don't feel rushed. After soaking in the views, we took the elevator back down. The experience comes full circle as you return to ground level. After exploring the frame, we went to a cafe near Dubai Frame where we had already booked breakfast. Ending the experience with a calm breakfast was honestly perfect. Good food, relaxed vibes, and a beautiful start to the day. Dubai Frame is not just about views, it's about seeing the city from a completely different perspective. This is not a normal museum. This is how the Museum of the Future welcomes you, with a flying robot. Before you even see the future, they make you travel to it in the start. The museum gave us an experience of actually traveling to a space station. It felt like we were astronauts. There was a countdown, the lights changed, and suddenly it felt like we were leaving Earth. His elevator isn't just taking you up, it simulates a real space launch. You see Earth slowly moving away, feel the motion, and within seconds, you're no longer on Earth. And when the doors opened, we had officially arrived in the year 2071. This is OSS Hope, a space station orbiting Earth. Here, the museum shows how humans might live beyond our planet. This isn't science fiction, it's science in progress. This chapter reminds us that while we explore space, we still need to protect the planet we call home. This chapter focuses on climate change and restoring Earth. Inside the Heal Institute, the museum shows how technology can help repair the damage we've caused. There are digital DNA libraries of endangered species, almost like a backup plan for life on Earth. After technology and science, this chapter slows everything down. Al-Waha is about mental health, mindfulness, and balance. It reminds us that the future isn't just smart cities, it's healthy humans. This chapter also uses sound, light, and movement to help you disconnect from stress. This chapter shows technology that already exists today: AI, robotics, healthcare innovation, and smart cities. It makes you realize that the future is closer than we think. Even the building itself tells a story. The oval shape represents humanity, and the Arabic calligraphy represents hope for the future. This chapter is designed for children, but the message is for everyone: creativity, collaboration, and problem solving. These are the real superpowers of the future. The Museum of the Future isn't about predicting what will happen, it's about reminding us that we are creating the future every day. If you enjoyed this video, then tell me which chapter made you think the most. This isn't just a mall, it's literally a city inside a city with thousands of stores, restaurants, and attractions. You can spend an entire day here and still miss things. Inside the mall, you also have the Dubai Aquarium, VR Park, and many entertainment zones. Right inside Dubai Mall is one of the largest indoor aquariums in the world. Walking through the tunnel feels unreal. Sharks, rays, and massive fish swim right above your head. The underwater zoo lets you see marine life up close. From penguins to crocodiles, it's not just about fish. This place makes you forget you're inside a mall. We had already booked our Burj Khalifa tickets in advance, and we specifically chose an evening time slot. We wanted to see Dubai both in daylight and as the city lights up at night. As you move towards the elevator, they show you the history of Burj Khalifa, from its design and construction to how it became the tallest building in the world. Seeing how much effort and engineering went into this building makes the experience even more special. Then comes the elevator, one of the fastest elevators in the world. It's smooth, quiet, and in just seconds, you're hundreds of meters above the ground. The moment we stepped out, the view was absolutely insane. Dubai looks completely different from this height. The city feels endless, calm, and unreal at the same time. After enjoying the view, we took the elevator back down. And the experience didn't end there. And then came the light show on Burj Khalifa. Watching visuals and lights move across the tallest building in the world is something else. It's the perfect way to end the evening. Then we waited for the Dubai fountain show. The fountains dance to music with Burj Khalifa glowing right behind. It feels magical, especially at night. Visiting Burj Khalifa is not just about going to the top, it's about the entire experience, from the journey, the history, the view, and the atmosphere around it. If you're planning to visit, I highly recommend booking an evening slot. That's how our Dubai journey looked, full of firsts, views, and memories. If you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed living it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.